Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make wheatgrass juice. This juice comes with tons of health benefits and you can easily make it at home. I have already made a detailed video on how you can grow wheatgrass at home without direct sunlight or soil. So make sure to check that out from the link given in description box below. I allowed them to grow for 8 days and today I am going to harvest them and make wheatgrass juice. You can take the required quantity of grass and the remaining one you can keep for next use as well. The grass will grow again after harvesting and you can harvest it for about 3 times. Once done, give this a good wash. And start preparing the juice. This was the first time I made this juice and I used the chutney jar. But I would suggest you to rather use the juicer so that you can add the required quantity of water and grind it really well. I'm just adding the grass and water and will make the juice. And here is how it looks. Strain the juice in a mug. I will need some more wheatgrass, so I decided to harvest the entire box. We'll wash this, add in the grinder, add some water and make the juice again. Repeat the same process of straining the juice. And here is the leftover. And this beautiful green juice is all ready. It has a mild grass-like taste and feels really sweet after a few seconds. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.